In my previous video, I showed you how to set up and allocate serial numbers. In this video, I am going to show you how to sell that item. So first thing we need to do is go to sales, and we need to go to sales order. So let's create a new sales order. And we knew that it was item number 35 had the sales serial numbers tracked on it. So it's brought up already our defaults. It said it's going to sell for 100. So I'm happy with this. So I'm going to hit save on here. And I'm going to mark it as confirmed. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask for the invoice. So I'm going to raise an invoice first. So here straight off, happy. I'm going to hit save, it's draft, and then mark as sent. Now, on our sales order here, so we've done our invoice and we've also created our sales order. But now what we want to do is create our package. So on our package, this is when we would go, this is the one that we want to use. So we're saying that we have our package created, we have the date, and it's saying, well, you've got one that's ordered and you need to pack one, but you've got 3 in your warehouse. So it's saying, which serial numbers do you want? So here, this is when you would select it and say, this is which one I want. So out of all of these, which one? So let's say it's number 88 is gone. Okay, so the sales order has now been completed. It's been shipped and we've raised our invoice. So now if we go back to our inventory and we look at our item 35, we can see here on our serial number that when we look at item 88, you can see when it come in and when it was shipped out. The other thing that we can do as well is we can hop down to our reports and we can look at the serial number report. Now what this is doing is it's giving us the outwards transaction, as in what has been sold, what's gone out. So it tells you when you purchased it and it will tell you when you sent it as well and what package. Now, what you can also do is on this inward transaction date, you can see when you purchased it and obviously when it went out as well. So it's a really neat little piece here. And as always with Zoho, you have your extra customizable pieces as well. You can put in there. There we go.